Look what him made for a Saturday night dinner. Salisbury steak by Banquet. These are pretty good Salisbury steak. Yeah, they all right. And then I made like a little thing of stovetop stuff that's going on the side right here. But I'm not going to taste none of this because it's about 1,000,000 degrees Fahrenheit all this. But when this shit cool off, oh yes, I'm going to town. You better believe that. I'm going to town right here. Jim, Bully, where'd you go, Bully? Bully. Come on, Bully. Bully. Come here. Come on, Bully. Bully, what you doing, Bully? Bully, what you doing, Bully? Jimmy, oh, you taking a shit, ain't you? Damn. Well, I hope everybody enjoy their weekend and enjoy their Saturday night. Until I see you next time, peace.